Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we're going to learn how to use the split screen option on our mobile phone. Before we get to the tutorial, first you need to make sure that you have enabled split screen function on your mobile phone. For that you need to go to your settings, and once you go there, scroll right down at the bottom. Around the bottom area, like as you can see, mine is in the third last option, you can see a split screen option. Once you tap in there, in my phone it has already been enabled, but in some of your phone it might have been disabled, so it looks like this. So you need to enable it, and right here itself they show you the tutorial on how to access to split screen on your mobile phone. So most common is using three of your finger and sliding it upward. So let us try. We can just try here itself, like currently want to slide three of my finger upward. You can just drag down to come back to your page. We can do this with various other applications. For example, we can do it with YouTube. Like you may be just listening to music. Now you want to know where is this song from, and while listening to this music you want to know what is this Heartstopper movie or series, so you want to Google it up. So for that you just need to split the screen by sliding three fingers upward and go to Chrome. Once you open Chrome, I had already Googled. Here I can access to information regarding the series alongside just listening to the music. So that is how we do it. To come out of this split screen, just go back, and if you press in the center area over here, you have the option to change your screens. Like the YouTube can go down at the bottom now, and the Chrome can come upwards. Similarly, it can be the other way around, and you can even cancel it. If you cancel it, you need to know that the application that was open in the top is given priority, so that will open the full screen while the other application will be shut down. So this was just one way of accessing to your split screen. Other ways are, we can go back to our settings to get more of the tutorial. Once you slide to your right, you can see they have asked me to press on the bottom left space down there. So this settings and shortcut may vary according to your devices. Like some of your phones, Android phones of different companies or models may have different tutorials. So all you need to do is go to the settings and find out what is the right one for your phone. Currently I'm using an Android Oppo phone. So for this, they have asked me to long press on this. Boom. There you go. The screen has been split. So once again, I can access to YouTube or Chrome, anything. So let me cancel this. So for split screen, all you need to do is go to the settings and get the option split screen, and there, once you have enabled the split screen function on your mobile phone, you can just follow the directions as shown in your phone and access to split screen. Thank you so much for watching our video. If it was helpful in any way, leave a like, subscribe for more of this content, and comment down below if you have any queries regarding the Android phone. Thank you so much for watching.